Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to unwrap a couple of the book stand. This is for like a bigger binder. So let's go ahead and unbox this or unwrap it. So yeah, my wife got a couple of this figure to do an unboxing video for you guys to check them out. It's made in China. 2 pieces of book stand. It says adjustable kitchen countertop. Come with this nice Ziploc bag. Let's go ahead and pop one of these open. And then there's another clear Ziploc bag. And you got this 2 other plastic for the to open and close. It acts as a hinges. And it says easy book on both sides, or front and back, left and right. Oh, adjustable? Is that what they meant? Adjustable? That's cool. Oh, I guess I broke it. I'm not sure if you got just a little bit higher or not. Let's see the top part. So maybe you could adjust it, but if you adjust too much, it tends to fall apart. But you could always put it back in. So I got a ACT thick textbook right here. Let's go ahead and do a test. So there's like an elevation right here. I'm not sure why they didn't go all the way down, but let's go check it out real quick. Maybe it's for the stronger or more sturdiness. Check it out real quick. Open this up. So it doesn't now spray out evenly, okay? When you open it out, it's gonna flap down like that. So in case you guys are wondering, let's see. So you can open up wider, okay? Just up and down. So I'm not sure it looks much better or not. Probably a little bit because I adjust higher so it doesn't rub down further. Oops. So yeah, if you adjust it too much, it just come apart. But you could always put it back in. Well, I figured I'd show you guys this because back to school is coming up, and then probably need one of this if you guys are tired of holding your textbook. Because now they textbook for high school, they are all very thick and heavy. Maybe this will help you guys out. So anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.